Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making customized avatars for female or male in our Unity. However, it's gonna be cartoony avatars, but it's fine. Okay, let's take a look at here. I can't pronounce his name actually, but he made this package Unity Demo Avatar almost 5 years ago. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip file of this project and import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, you need to consider there are two folders which are important. First, resources, which contains male prefabs and female prefabs, and also animes, which are the animations of male and female. These folders have to be outside the main folder, Unity Demo Avatar, and they have to be in the main, assets folder. If they were in the inside another folder, this package doesn't work. So let's go to the Unity Demo Avatar and scenes, and let's see what we have. Okay. Now look at this guy. Oh, beautiful avatar and beautiful animations. Here you can change the head. Look at this, look at the face. And there are just two prefabs. For the eyes there are three colors: green, blue and brown. And the hair, different types and different colors. And the body and legs and the pants actually, in fact. And in here the fits, the shoes, and finally animation. Look at this. Here we have this, we have walking. It's kind of showing, and the idle one. And now the next character is the boy. The head, the eyes, and the hair, and the body, legs, shoes, fits, whatever, and animation. They are the same animation actually. Okay. If you take a look at here in the resources folder, you can have access to the all faces, meshes, and the prefabs for each one. And also in the Unity Demo Avatar, in the textures part, you can change the textures and you can add anything you want. For example, change the clothes, textures, or whatever you want. Okay. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.